All right, let's dive into something that, well, pretty much affects all of us, keeping our Gmail secure. We're going to go deep today and make sure that digital front door of yours is locked up tight.
Let me start by asking you a question, and I want you to really think about it. Is it possible that right now, as you're listening to this, someone else is reading your email and you don't even know it?
Yeah, it's a super uncomfortable thought, isn't it? But it is a very real threat. Your Gmail account could be under attack, and the absolute first step to protecting it is just knowing what to look for.
So what are we really talking about here? What's at stake? Unauthorized access. It's not just about someone peeking at your personal messages. It means they can steal your sensitive info and, this is the really scary part, they can use your Gmail to reset the passwords for your other accounts. You know, your banking, your social media, everything. It's a domino effect that can be absolutely devastating.
But hey, don't worry, because we're about to arm you with what I like to call a digital detective toolkit. We're going to walk through 5 huge, telltale clues that can reveal if your account has been compromised. Think of yourself as the lead investigator on this case.
So our investigation starts right now with the first and honestly the most common piece of evidence a hacker leaves behind.
The biggest red flag of them all is unusual sign-in activity. This is when someone logs into your account from a device you don't recognize or from a place you've never even been to, maybe even a whole other country.
So how do you actually check for this? It's pretty simple, actually. Just pop open your Gmail. Head over to the security section, and from there, you're going to look for recent security events. This list, it's basically your logbook, your evidence file. If you see a login from a phone you don't own or from a city halfway across the globe, well, that's your smoking gun.
Okay, so we've checked the perimeter. Let's move on and look for our next clue.
Okay, this one? It's usually a complete dead giveaway. You happen to glance in your sent folder, and you see emails you have absolutely zero memory of ever writing. It is a crystal clear sign that an intruder is in your account, using it like it's their own.
So you might be thinking, why on earth would they do this? Well, hackers love to use accounts they've taken over to just blast out spam or, even worse, phishing emails to everyone in your address book. By using your account, they're using your good name and your reputation to trick other people. So yeah, a quick scan of that sent folder is absolutely critical.
All right, the third clue we're hunting for is a bit more direct. This is when the intruder tries to lock you out of your own digital house.
If you get an official-looking email from Google about a password reset or some kind of account recovery attempt that you definitely did not start, you need to pay attention immediately. This means someone is actively, right now, trying to take complete control of your account.
And, you know, the most important thing to remember here is that last point. Even if their attempt to change your password failed, it's still a massive warning flare. It means someone out there has your email address, and they are actively trying to break in. It's exactly like a burglar jiggling the handle on your front door to see if it's unlocked.
For our fourth clue, you gotta put on your super sleuth glasses, because this one can be a little more subtle than the others.
Have you ever had that feeling where you're searching for a really important email and you know it should be there, but poof, it's just gone? Or maybe you notice your email folders are all jumbled up. This isn't always a weird glitch. It could be an intruder trying to cover their tracks.
This really gets into the hacker's mindset, doesn't it? They might delete those very security alerts we just talked about to keep you in the dark. Or they can move emails with, say, financial info into the trash so you won't see them. The bottom line is, if your inbox just feels off, trust your gut. Something's probably up.
And that brings us to our fifth and final clue. And honestly, this is one of the most clever and kind of scary tactics in a hacker's playbook.
See, a really clever hacker isn't going to be loud and obvious. Sometimes they'll just make one tiny little change to your settings that lets them silently monitor everything you do. And the most common way they do this is by setting up a forwarding rule.
So how does this even work? It's so sneaky. The hacker just adds their own email address into your forwarding settings. And just like that, they get a secret copy of every single email that lands in your inbox. And you never know. It is a quiet but totally devastating breach of your privacy. That's why checking this one setting is just absolutely essential.
Okay, deep breath. Let's say you've done the detective work, and you found something. You found evidence of a break-in. What do you do now? It is time to secure the scene. We're switching from investigation to immediate action with your emergency lockdown procedure.
These 4 steps are your lockdown plan, and they are non-negotiable.
First, right away, change your password. Make it long, make it unique, make it complex. Second, and I really can't say this enough, turn on two-step verification. It is the single best thing you can do to protect your account. Period. Finally, go through every single device and app that's connected to your account and kick out anything you don't recognize. This is like changing the locks on your house and then checking who still has a key.
We've covered the clues, we've got the emergency response plan. Now, let's just boil all of this down into your new security mandate.
So what's the bottom line here? It's simple. Be vigilant. Think of these 5 signs as your personal alarm system. And when that alarm goes off, you have to act immediately. Remember, what you're protecting here isn't just a bunch of emails. You're protecting your entire digital life. And finally, you've got to be proactive. Don't wait for a break-in to start checking your locks. Make these security checks a regular habit. Look, you now have the toolkit to shield your inbox. You're fully empowered to be your own security expert. And that just leaves us with one last thought. Now that you've secured this critical piece of your digital life, what are you going to secure next?